dear students. Good morning. I, Parul Madam, welcome you all in the online EVS class. In the last online class, we studied lesson number 6, Ria's Train Journey. Today, we will start lesson number 7, Ria's train got late. Now, how the train got late? Why the train got late? We will be studying in this chapter. Children, have you travelled by train? Do you like to travel by a train? Yes, I too like to travel by a train. Train is the most comfortable mode of transport. All facilities are available in the train, like toilets, washrooms, sleeping berth, AC, fans, lights, small table for dining, all sorts of food, refreshments, breakfast, tea, coffee, milk, cold drinks too are available in the train. Train journey is very exciting. We are going to continue the discussion about Ria's journey by train. Children, this is Ria. Ria is going to her uncle's house, her mama's house in Vapi. Ria's family consists of Ria, her brother Himaksh, and her father and mother. They are sitting in the train, the Kutch Express, from Gandhidham railway station. Their train arrived at 8:55 p.m. and departed at 9:15 p.m. The train reached till Nadiad station. Her train friend Fiona got down at Nadiad station. Then the train started. Ria and Himaksh went to sleep. This much part is covered in previous chapter, Ria's journey. To continue further, the train took a halt at Vadodara Junction. Ria woke up. From the window of the train, she saw a clock hanging on the wall. It was 5 o'clock in the morning. So Ria's family had reached Vadodara Junction at 5 o'clock in the morning. Children, have you ever heard announcements on the railway station? All announcements on the railway station are made in different languages like English, Hindi and Gujarati, so that even the common person can understand. There was an announcement on the mic that all the trains running between Vadodara, Surat, Valsad, Vapi, Mumbai will be 2 hours late. Ria's family completed all their morning activities. Then they had a breakfast of thepla, khakra and biscuits along with tea. The train was going to take a halt of 2 hours at Vadodara Junction. So, Ria's father took both the children to see the facilities at the railway station. Father showed them the ticket window, ticket checkers room, waiting room, parcel room. A ticket window consists of many counters. We all can purchase train tickets from a ticket window. Ticket checkers, also called as TC, has to wear a uniform. They too have restrooms at the railway station. Those rooms are called ticket checkers room. Waiting rooms are present at all major railway stations. They are meant for passengers waiting for departure by train. Passengers can relax and become fresh in the waiting rooms. Parcels transported by trains are kept in the parcel room. But the thing is that the parcels should be properly packed in the boxes so that its condition remains good while transporting in the train and even while handling them by the workers. Father also showed them toilet, bathroom, drinking water hubs, canteens, stalls at the railway station. Mostly toilets and bathrooms at the railway station has pay and use facility. Drinking water also is available at the railway station. At some railway stations, coolers are placed so that passengers can fill their bottle with cold water. There are even many stalls and canteens at the railway station where people can have different types of food and drinks. Riya and her brother saw many trains at the station. They even saw railway staff pouring water and cleaning the train using wipers. Some sweepers were cleaning the railway tracks using big brooms. Riya took photographs and videos of these facilities from her father's mobile. Now again, there was an instruction on the mic that at 7 o'clock, Riya's train, the Kutch Express, would leave Vadodara. So, all three of them got into their carriage, also called as compartment, and the train started. So, the train, the Kutch Express, took a halt of about 2 hours at Vadodara Junction. It was morning and the atmosphere was very beautiful outside. The Kutch Express was passing level crossing where people were waiting on both the sides of the crossing for the train to pass. Buses, cars, auto rickshaws, cycle, scooter and goods truck, etc. vehicles were waiting. Some people did not switch off the engine of their vehicle. Due to this, there was a lot of smoke and noise in the atmosphere. How surprising it was! Some people even were crossing below the bars of the level crossing and stood near it. How dangerous situation it was! Children, do you know why level crossing or railway crossings are closed at the time of arrival of train? They are closed in order to avoid accidents. So children, it is very dangerous to cross the bars from below when they are closed. When the train passes, after that the bars are raised up or opened for the public. Those bars are placed at level crossings for our safety. It is everyone's duty to follow the traffic safety rules. At the same time, Ria's train crossed another train. Himaksh and Ria tried to count the carriages of the other train. But as both the trains were going very fast, they were not able to count the carriages. So today we will stop here. In my next online class, we will continue this lesson of Ria's train got late. Thank you. Take care.